Welcome to our guide on fixing video playback issues on Messenger for PC users. If you're encountering problems with videos not playing, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. First, check your network connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth video playback on Messenger. Next, try refreshing the Messenger page where the video is located. Sometimes a simple refresh can address playback issues. If refreshing doesn't work, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can eliminate stored data that may be impacting video playback. Another step to try is logging out of WhatsApp desktop and then logging back in. This process can sometimes resolve video playback problems on Messenger. If the issue persists, restarting your device may provide a solution. Power off your device, wait for 30 seconds, and power it back on. This basic restart can often fix various technical issues. In certain situations, such as using office or university campus Wi-Fi, connection issues may arise. Switching to a different network or using mobile data can help troubleshoot these problems. By following these steps, you can address common causes of video playback problems on Messenger and enhance your viewing experience on your PC. These solutions are designed to assist you in overcoming obstacles and enjoying uninterrupted video playback on the platform.